So we were solving this 50 coding, that is string coding problems for interviews. Now we need to solve this fifth problem, that is the closest string. So let us see what it is. Given a list of words followed by two words, right? Followed by two words. The task is to find the minimum distance between the given two words. That's it. The quick the quick brown fox. Quick. So two elements words they have given is the fox. The is here, fox is here. Fox is at third index. 3 minus 0 will give you 3. So shortest distance between them is 3. But there is a catch here. Catch is there can be a duplicate elements. Right? Duplicate elements. What if here you had a elements called the quick, fox, fox, quick. At that time distance between them was 2, right? So take care of that condition. So how to solve this? So let me take one of the, again this is I think geeks to practice. So this is one of the good test case to explain. So you have this test case, you need to find the shortest distance between geeks and practice. So you start, you keep an index, so let me call it as I, let it be -1 initial, let it be -1, j let it be -1. Initially why I and j is required, so I will search for the word 1, j will search for word 2. That is why, that is what you that is what you can remember as. So I will search for first, that is word 1, j will search for word 2. So I'll traverse here, right? I will traverse. Then if you found any word, right, that is if this is an array A, if you find array of I, if it is equal to word 1, at that time you can make the I, sorry, this is what, this I is not the I what I am talking about. So let me erase this. So imagine you are traversing through the array. So that is k value is k starting from 0 till go till k less than n. N means what? The size of the array. So k plus plus. So imagine you have a for loop, and inside this for loop, k. If this first element, that means if this a of kth element, is it equal to word 1? Yes, it is equal. Like if it is equal, I don't know whether it is equal or not. If it is equal, then make I as that index, right? That index. Now, if this is a condition, right? If this is condition, if again if this a of k, if it is equal to word 2, right, word 2, then as I said, j will keep on remembering the, this is what k, j will keep on remembering the index of the word 2. So let me give it as k. Then at last what I need to do is, let me take a minimum here. Minimum is another variable, so let me assign it as int max. Now I need to do what? I need to, if this I is there, no, if it is not equal to -1, that means you already got an index, you got that word, that is why I will be what? Not a -1. At the same time, j shouldn't be equal to -1. That means what? That means if you have both the elements, that means if you got both the word, then only you can take a distance between them, right? So that is a logical thing. So at that time you do what? You do minimum is equal to minimum of minimum of this mn and absolute of I minus j, right? You can do that. So minimum will keep on updating if it's find any minimum value, minimum distance. So let's write a code for this. So initially my index I, int I will be -1, j will be -1. I will start to traverse through the string. So word 1 and word 2 is given by them, so don't worry. So if this s of I, if it is equal to word 1, at that time I will set I as, so let me take it as k, because that we will get into problem. If s of k, if it is equal to word of 1, then make I is equal to k. If that s of k, if it is equal to word 2, at that time you make I, sorry, j is equal to k. If this I is not equal to -1 and at the same time j is not equal to -1, then get inside, you find minimum. So I have not declared minimum yet, so let me do that. For that I need to take an absolute difference of I minus j. So let me declare the minimum here. So mn will be equal to int max. So at last I need to return mn. So let us run this. So we are getting the result. So let us submit. So again we are getting the result. So thank you.